There we go.
I want to just ask you one thing. Like, from which place you are in US?
I'm in Orlando, Florida.
So you're from Florida, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Like, what's the time exactly now?
Time here is exactly 7:13 at night.
Oh, okay. So mine in India, mine is it's like 5:45 a.m. Great.
Yes, I know it's very early for you.
Yes, exactly. Sounds good. Anyhow, okay, good. So like, let's start with MATPLOTLIB. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
There are a lot of libraries to be used in data science. Let's start with MATPLOTLIB. It's one of the best Python library used for graphically displaying the outputs.
Graphically displaying out.
Like if you want to see, you're going to analyze the data set and you want to visualize them graphically.
Yep.
This is the best module or library.
Interesting.
Clear? Like we can draw pie charts. We can plot, we can use histogram, we can use bar chart.
Yeah, we can have linear.
Yes.
Yeah, linear.
Box plot like that, okay?
Yep.
And there are more advanced ones we'll be learning afterwards. We'll be like learning Seaborn, SQL and all. So let's start with a MATPLOTLIB, okay?
Yeah, sure.
See, use Anaconda. That's the best software to work with MATPLOTLIB. You can use both Spider as well as Jupyter.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to use Spider, okay?
Okay, sure.
So first you have to import the module. Just put import matplotlib dot pyplot as declare some variable. I'll take as PLT, okay?
Yep.
Let's declare a list. I'll just give some list one equal to some like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Yeah.
I want to declare heading. So I'll put like PLT dot.
Yeah. Can you hold on for a second? I'm trying to bring my notebooks out.
Just I'll finish up, then you bring it, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. PLT dot title. I'll just give something like, for example, maybe a simple temperature.
Yeah.
So let's start with the plot. So just put PLT dot plot, okay? Some variable. To display, you have to use dot show. Now see. Just go to the view option here, panes, just plot it. This option called plot. In case it might be minimized, it might be closed, you can see here. See?
Yeah.
Yes. Right, can you see? It's simple temperature. Like the
title and the plot itself.
The y-axis is 10 to 50, and the x-axis it takes the value. There are 5 numbers, 5 elements, correct? So it starts from 0 to 4.0 automatically. If you want to give colors, by default it's giving blue color. Suppose I want to change my own color, I can do it here. See here. I can just add colors here. Suppose I want to have a red R here. Now see. Got it?
Yeah.
It can modify colors, everything like this. Able to follow?
Or you can create a variable inside.
Yeah. I'll show you.
Yeah.
So I'll give you 5 minutes. You can just bring your notepad.
Yeah. No, I understand that. Yep.
You try it.
No, this is very powerful library. Yep.
Yeah. Very good. It's an excellent one. So that's the reason people go for Python. It's like we can visualize beautifully. Same. See, I have a thing called box plot. I'll just show you how. See a difference now. This gives you beautifully like it gives you the minimum value, maximum value.
Yeah.
See here. See here, beautiful. Can you see? The minimum is 10, max is 50, and the middle value, see, 30.
Yep.
So when you want to work with minimum, maximum, mean, median, this box plot plays a major role.
Right.
Do you want to practice?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes.
Yep. Please. Got it.
Got the outputs?
Very good. Yep. Yep.
Suppose if you want to use like bar charts here, I'll show you an example of a bar chart.
Uh-huh.
Like let's take maybe corona cases. I'll take like some corona cases. Maybe like I'll take city wise, like this, something like I'll take New York, New Delhi, Mumbai, Los Angeles. Okay, I'll take 4 cities. Okay.
Yep.
I'll just take an approximate, maybe maybe let's try out corona, something like cases. Just assume it's an approximate cases. Okay.
Yeah.
Some numbers, random numbers. So if you want to, the original letters you can collect from the government sites. Like if it's India, means you can get from Indian site. If it's US, means you can get from the US sites. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now see. Got it? See, it's a beautiful bar chart. See.
Yeah.
So smallest is what New York. What is the highest? Los Angeles. Like a bar. Got it?
Yes, I got it. Yeah, that's about 40,000 almost. Yep, that's exactly what it was.
And if you want to change colors, suppose if you want to give colors for each bar, you can give it. Just we have a variable called color. Just give that. Maybe like I'll give some red here, green here, blue here, then black. Now see.
Yeah.
Got it? See the colors. Separate
Yes.
colors
Yep.
for each bar.
Yep.
That's the beauty of bar.
Yep.
So this is the best module, like we can work beautifully. See, rather than somebody's like you are in a meeting and your boss says like, could you just explain about the trends? Rather than orally talking, I can visualize graphically. So from this, you'll be able to understand, okay, this like New York, the cases in New York are very less. Whereas Mumbai and Los Angeles, they have big cases. They can understand easily. So using this Matplotlib, you can visualize easily and predict the trends. Got it?
Yep.
See, if you want to add, see, one more thing, if you want to add title also, you can just come here, you can add title here. You can add title, just put plt dot title, corona cases. Then if you want to add labels for X and Y, I can put X label. Cities. Then I can add Y label. Number of patients affected. Now we'll remove this bar. We'll add a plot here.
Mhm.
It's very useful. We can first see the plot. I'll add a plot here. Or we can have a bar itself. I'll have a bar here. Cities, comma. Cases. Now, let's visualize now. Can you see the X? It is cities. Y, it is number of patients affected. Got it?
Yes. X,
So,
Y.
yeah, if you want to add a title here, you can add.
Yeah.
City wise.
Yeah.
Got it? You have a title
Yeah.
there, you have an X label, you have a Y label. So this way we visually analyze the data sets.
Yeah.
Matplotlib plays a major role in graphical display. So most of the companies, most of the people from data science, they are trying to predict the trends, or they visually analyze the algorithms using Matplotlib. Got it?
Mhm. Yep.
When you work as a data scientist, you'll be asked to visually depict a data set. You have to analyze them visually.
I see. Yep. Yep. Some of them you can't do it. Yeah.
Yeah, got it? Able to understand now?
Yes, I did. I'm sorry, what?
Like, are you able to follow my accent?
Yeah. Sometimes I have, that's why I ask questions.
Very good.
Sometimes it's a little bit, but generally, yeah. Which part of India are you in?
I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I have
I've taken a lot of classes actually. Like I've been handling a lot of online classes for US students, even working professionals.
yeah, no, you're very good. You're very knowledgeable. And your style is very good. It works with me. As you know, if I have a question, I ask. So
Thank you.
yeah, you're very knowledgeable. I'm really looking forward to learn a lot from you.
Sure, definitely. We'll keep in touch always.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, because you know, I always liked data, and you know, when I was a business analyst, system analyst, I had to work with, you know, data, some sort of not very advanced, but you know, sort of like gather it, maybe, you know, find it out and so on. And you know, using SQL sometimes, you know, or primarily Excel spreadsheets. And so I always loved it. And when I decided to kind of tweak my career, I decided, no, this data science is the best.
Yeah, like from 2013, I have been handling big data. But once
Uh,
the data science concepts came in the last 3-4 years, Python has become very popular.
yep.
So I also
Yep.
started liking Python with machine learning compared to other subjects. I do handle a lot of technologies, like I do Java, I take SQL like that. But Python machine learning sounds good for me.
Yep. No, absolutely. And they're very in demand as well.
Also, like people, even novice can learn Python easily compared to other languages. They find difficult to learn other languages. Yeah, normally we recommend, like ideally what we do is we personally recommend like start with C, then learn C++, then go for Java. But nowadays, some people what they do, they feel they can straight away learn Java. Python also they feel like some schools and all they have
Yeah.
Python as a curriculum.
Yeah, Python is very good.
So like
It's very
people,
intuitive.
some people like prefer straight away learning Python. But ideally, I would recommend to start with C. First, learn C, then have a good exposure about C++. Then maybe they can choose Java or a Python.
Yeah. Yeah.
If they want to go into developing line, Java is the best language. And if they want to
Yeah.
enter into data science, Python is the best one. So they can
Yeah.
decide what they want. And see, no language is inferior or superior. They have their own plus and minuses.
Yes, exactly. Strengths and weaknesses.
It
Yep.
depends on the market, where they go for, and it depends on the domain they want to choose.
Mm-hmm.
Like Java may be very good in mobile-based Android and all. They use Java. Application application side, Java is very good actually. Same like Python is very good in data science. It's very good in machine learning and all. Java is good in big data developing side. Like if you want to work with Hadoop environment, we have a thing called MATPLOTLIB programming where they use Java.
Yep.
So ideally, we recommend, we say like, don't just go with one language, learn multiple languages and get good idea. Start with C, then C++, then learn Java and Python.
Yep.
And one database is mandatory. We'll recommend, we'll say like, one database you can either learn Oracle or a MySQL or a SQL Server. We say, that's also, it's mandatory. One front end, one back end is mandatory.
Yeah. 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 Most companies that I work for, I mean, these are big I work entirely in banking, so I haven't been out of.
Oh, very good actually. So you worked in banking.
Yeah. So they all use SQL Server for the most part. Some of them had Oracle, but SQL Server has been, for the most part, their choice of a database. And now it's on the cloud. They essentially use Snowflake, AWS Snowflake, or Azure. I haven't seen any banking company use its Google Cloud Platform. I haven't seen one.
Okay.
Yeah, but Google has the best machine learning stuff, no?
Yeah, Google Analytics is one of the most popular, way of, especially in digital marketing.
Uh-huh.
In digital marketing, Google Analytics plays a major role.
Yep.
We do have a concept called digital marketing, where there are a lot of social media networks which play a major role. Like we have SEO, email marketing, like that. That part is Google Analytics. It's very, very, very vital nowadays.
Yeah.
A lot of social medias like LinkedIn, Twitters, they play a major role in promoting your projects.
Right.
We have digital marketing, we have content writing. They are becoming very popular nowadays.
Interesting. It's very interesting.
So able to understand MATPLOTLIB?
Yeah. MATPLOTLIB. Yep. Got it. And I got the codes. Yep. Perfect.
Any doubts in today's class?
No, I don't have any doubt. I was going to ask you something. Yeah, is it I have an engagement that I have to be on tomorrow night. Is it okay if we resume as of Monday?
Okay, no issues.
Okay. Is that cool? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So before next class, you just practice, okay?
Yes, I'm practicing. Absolutely. I'm still practicing all those Python stuff that we covered, right?
Very good actually. So once you start practicing, it's very, very, very like it'll sound interesting. Like we'll be learning a lot of modules in coming classes.
Absolutely. Okay,
Yeah,
definitely.
Okay, then.
All right.
Take care.
Thanks so much. Talk to you Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye.